Today I'm gonna be making a Brazilian egg coconut custard, which we call in Brazil Quindim. But first, let's go for the ingredients. And the ingredients are 8 egg yolks, 2/3 cup of coconut flakes, about a cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of coconut milk, and you're gonna need some sugar and butter for coating. The first thing you're gonna have to do, you're gonna get a large bowl, and we're gonna get the eggs and we're gonna strain them. So now, I'm gonna add the sugar, mix it out. Once it blends well with the sugar, we're gonna add the last of the ingredients, the coconut milk, coconut flakes. Just blend them all together. After you finish mixing all the ingredients, we're gonna coat a muffin tin. I'm gonna be using a mini muffin tin because I wanna make mini quindims. So you just get some butter, you coat them with butter and sprinkle sugar on top. Just gonna do this quick and we'll be back. I put in a measure cup because make it easier and even. So you're just gonna pour inside. Now we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes and we'll be back. 30 minutes has passed. What you're gonna do is you're gonna preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. You're gonna get a tray and you're gonna pour some hot water, not boiling, just hot. Once you pour the hot water, we're gonna put the mini muffin tin on top and you're gonna bring this to the oven and bake for 35 minutes. And we'll be back. The minutes has passed, and the quindims are ready. Let it cool down a tiny bit, and we're gonna do a knife around so it can come out easily. And we'll be back. Now that we passed the knife around, we're gonna remove from the pan. Be very careful so you don't break in half. Okay, this one look a little, but it looks so good. And you put it in a plate. Get another one. This one looks really nice. Now the best part. Let me try it. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe, and if you did, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, clicking the subscribe button below or in the logo right here. We also have a Facebook and Instagram page called Marley Recipes. Go there, like and share, and I see you all next time. Bye!